static in my mind, can't shut it out, breaking through the walls that I built for us. Frequencies rise and fall inside my head tonight. Your voice cuts through like a signal light, trying to decode every word you say, but the noise keeps growing, won't fade away. And so, standing at the edge of white noise, empty thoughts of lies. Will we be faced beneath mindless in with the first thoughts where we begin. Radio waves crash down through empty space. Your frequent change, can't find your trace. Lost in translation between you and me. The signal's breaking up, set me free, friends. Ooh, lost in transmission. Clear the channel, break the planet, find the wavelength back to standing at the edge of white noise. Sequence like a step in the silence where we began. Where we begin.